Hi guys, quarantine going on outside, the coronavirus, everyone at home, so plus David has a nice broken leg. Last week he did a procedure on his leg, so gonna be a long time out of the mats. So I came across a video on Instagram of a guy doing a dummy, and that reminds me when I was a kid, our coach, we didn't have where to buy dummies back then. And my coach were teaching us how to do is the
towels and rugs.
no
and
the old carpets. So we were crazy for a piece of carpet to make our dummies. We used to like the carpets because they're like heavy, so you have a better dummy. But I'm gonna show you how to do is like stuff that you have on your house, right?
Yeah, everyday stuff. I mean, everybody has this.
So I kind of already did the legs just to make the video shorter.
I mean, it's simple.
And I did here just all I got was a hoodie and a pillow, right? I like to do is the hood. You can do without the hood if you want, but the hood, the good part of the hood and the pillow is you have your torso and your head
Chokes.
connected, right? So you can do, yes, you can do chokes. So it's easier. So that part is easy, just a pillow inside your hoodie all the way up, okay?
Yeah.
Deeper here, better.
You can duct tape around it if you want.
Yeah, David likes to duct tape, I don't. So here, all we did, we got a blanket, we rolled the blanket, and we did the legs. We're gonna do the same on the arms,
Yeah,
same
this
thing we
is
did on the legs,
all we did.
so you guys can see it.
We just-
So let's do all the way open, it's easier.
Oh, then it's not gonna fit.
Okay, so like this.
We've tested. No, wait, just a little bit more. Alright, so we pulled it. Enough waiting. Alright, so you guys can do whatever size you want. We're doing it to about mid-arm,
Here.
just to show you. Okay, so we get our gi and we just stuff it in the arms. That's basically it. That's what we did with the legs. We just got a bigger blanket.
This way to do is you stick your hand inside the sleeve here, you grab it, and you pull it, done.
Still making my way across the sleeve. Got it. Now pull it. And I got a thick side. Sucks. There you go. Got it.
Good. So we have the arms, we have the legs, we have the torso. So on that part here,
Just put it on the gi.
all we're gonna do, I like to stick the arms inside, and you can do the arms straight on the hoodie, and then you stick the hoodie inside your gi. It works the same. Just gonna stick here just a little, just to
Yeah,
show.
just a-
Doesn't need to be super deep, just to show the video.
Yeah, there you
But
go.
that's good.
Okay.
So
Got our hoodie. Got our guy in a gi.
we have our arms, we have our neck, we have our legs. So what you're gonna do now is
So we're just gonna open it up, and we're just gonna put the pillow in, and we're gonna tie around it. I mean, we're gonna put on some rope around it just so it stays.
oh, we kind of keep it that tight here too.
Yeah. So then, just tie it. You gotta do it pretty tight because it's gonna move around a lot.
And then the rope here, please. So that part on the rope, like me and David, we did so many times that rope around that thing, and like thousands of ways to do it. But like the way that looks easier for me is you bring across from the shoulder to the legs, but you go through the laces here. See how to the strings here, right? So don't know if you guys can see here, but inside the strings on the pants, on the gi pants. Then we just bring it.
Yep.
And we make like an X here. So bring all the way in. String again.
Get through the laces. It's kind
All
of
the
like
way up.
X.
So David likes to put tuck inside because he does like fancy stuff, chokes and things like this. I don't care,
So
keep
it
on
doesn't
top.
mess up your grips when you're gonna try to grab it.
And then all we do is
Just tie it right here.
you tie it on the back, and need to be a little tight here. Look like you're gonna bend your dummy, but that's normal. They're gonna settle.
Yeah, I mean they're dummies.
So
Supposed to bend.
just get here. And the final touch is the belt.
Yep. Where's the belt? Here it is.
So I get here. Belt's in, just tie anyway, just to show. Get in here. Top side work, bottom side's lazy. Wrap it there. There you go.
I mean, look at this.
We have a nice dummy. Cool stuff is you can do your spider guard, lasso guard, side control,
I would demonstrate, but I have a bit of technical difficulty.
knee on the belly, mount, back takes, guard pass. You can hold those pants.
You can take his back and choke him.
You can move around doing guard pass. So basically, a lot of stuff you can do. And that's our quarantine challenge for you guys to do. Send us videos of your dummy and you training with those dummies. You're going to get really happy to see it, right? All right? Good job, guys.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys next time. Don't forget to
to leave
subscribe,
a
like,
like.
and comment. Bye.
See ya.